Hey there, YouTubers! Hi there, Dr. Sheep here. Welcome back to another DIY, I guess. Today is DIY Christmas tree. So the first step in any Christmas tree thing is you gotta find a place to put the tree. This will determine how tall you can put the tree and how big the tree can be, width and height wise. And yeah, so I've already gone ahead and done that. We'll be filming right here. Now the only reason why I have the tripod facing this way is because the light's just better. Shush, cat. Anyways, so usually I would recommend buying a reusable tree, but plastic is bad, and we're not going to do that. Okay, what if you cut down a tree? That's bad too. So what did I do? I found a dead tree branch to use as my tree. So I'm gonna get everything set up. I've already have the tree picked out. It's right here. Okay. I'm gonna get her set up. Yeah. So catch you within a bit. I forgot one little thing. Okay, since tree stands are relatively expensive and they're made of plastic, I'm gonna do the next best thing. And since I'm outside, I'm gonna pound a post into the ground to attach the tree to. I don't need it all the way in the ground, just enough to hold the tree in place. Now, I'm gonna get my pan to hold the water for the tree, and then I'm gonna try and get the tree hung up. Wish me luck. And so the next step is to tie the tree to the pole that we found it. Now, I've already done one here, and we're using metal today, folks. No plastic. Plastic is bad for the environment, and we're trying to make this as environmentally friendly as possible, despite the fact that we're using metal. Anyways, next step is I want to bring this branch in a little closer. So we're going to tie. Do a tie off here. Ideally, you want to use yarn for this that was extracted from, like, I don't know, wool or something. Something sustainable. I don't know if wool is entirely sustainable compared to, like, say, maybe organic cotton. So I went ahead and made some popcorn. And honestly, probably isn't going to work too well. Not gonna lie. You should really use an evergreen tree if you're gonna put popcorn on your tree. Usually, something will stick. Usually you put it on a string. But I was on a time crunch. I just made this popcorn this morning. That's really unfortunate. Okay. Well, considering that's not going to work very well, let's add the tinsel. All right. Wonderful, beautiful tinsel. Okay, you just want to drape the tinsel over everywhere. Okay. Oh, Christmas tinsel, Christmas tinsel. Why won't you stay on the dang tree? Now you're probably wondering, Doc, you have an air cannon. Why don't you just shoot the tinsel on the tree with the air cannon? Well, there's multiple good reasons for that. For one thing, using the air cannon burns fossil fuels, and we obviously don't want to do that. Second of all, by burning fossil fuels, I mean we have to plug in the air compressor. That's the most important part. And the air compressor, well, let's just say this. I don't have a long enough extension cord. if I had the Tesla Cybertruck, I could just plug it into that. Heck, I could just plug the air can into the Cybertruck like that, because it apparently has air hookups because of its suspension. I don't have a tree skirt, so we'll use this leftover tinsel as a tree skirt. We'll also use the leftover popcorn as a tree skirt. Let's hope the wind doesn't take my stuff away here, my tinsel. Yes, I know it's a plastic bag, right? But don't worry, I'll dispose of it in a sustainable way. Next step is to your ornaments. Now, obviously, the fight between plastic and paper is really important right now. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. The next step is presents. We have Will Nine's present here. We have Kyle's here. And Phil's here. And oh no, the wind's picking up. Of course, we make that big YouTube money here, so I gave myself one. Now, I said that was the last step, but obviously we need to add some more goodies and the star on top of the tree. So I'm gonna get my star and other goodies, and I'm gonna get the water too, and then we'll plug her in, see what happens. I'm excited. So, silly me forgot. I have pine cones. No glitter, because glitter pine cones are bad for the environment. Now you'll notice in the background of my philosophy videos, I'm putting up a Christmas tree, and I have glitter cones on it. The thing about it is, I kind of forgot about the whole plastic thing back then, and it's not until now. But don't be hypocrite. I'm not a hypocrite, right? Other than the sap, pine cones are really nice to hang up. I think they actually do add a little bit of something. As you can see if I zoom in. Anyways, next step is the star, and I'm gonna hurry up and make it right now. So, and then we're gonna put the water in, and then we're gonna plug it in. Yay! So here's my star I just constructed. Absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna put this on top of the tree now. Oh, I'm losing pine cones. Oh boy. Now, we add the water. See? Water. Smells like water too. Now we plug it in. This is our power supply. Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, how beautiful you are. Da 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 da. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, how beautiful you are. Da 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 da. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, how beautiful you are. Now with your Christmas tree on, lit up, now you can cozy up next to a fire, read a good book, and enjoy your holidays. This has been Dr. Sheep, another beautiful DIY. I'm going to make sure this doesn't destroy the local ecosystem. I'd like to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays and a Happy Hanukkah and Kwanzaa and everything else. That box is going to hit me. Anyways, I'd like to thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. New videos every other Friday, 2 p.m. Central Time. And good night. My gosh, that's hot. Subs for trees. Subs for trees. Subs for trees. Subs for trees. Oh, you're still here? I thought I told you to go home. Oh, you want more? I'm flattered. Check out the playlist. If you want exclusive content, check out my Instagram, Dr_Sheep_YouTube. That's all lowercase. If you want to help the earth, subscribe. When I reach 100 subscribers, I'm going to plant 10 trees. If you feel that's too small, then check out my channel chart where I lay out even bigger goals. Finally, stick around for the next 20 seconds to give me that sweet watch time. Bye.